Right then, people, due to the fact that we have spent so much money on this Audi, we have got no choice but to dig deep and do this ourselves. So all I'm using is a row lock attachment with an 80, I think there's a 150 in there, and then out to a 400. We'll scotch the insides of the wheels, and then we'll stick some etch primer on, and then we'll go over it with the black after that. But needs must, guys. We've spent so much money. Let's get on it and I'll show you what we're doing. So, nice and easy. It's going to be very loud. So all we're trying to do is just take out the really rough stuff. Once we've got the rough stuff out of the way, then we can take the rough stuff down on the grades, so we can then get a layer of paint on that you won't see the work that we've done. So that's the plan. Right, so the aim of this with the row lock, especially in the heavier grit, is just to take off the real heavy stuff around the rim. And then what we will do, we'll go down on the grades until this is lovely and smooth. Normally go down to about 400, and then I can get some etch primer on here. We'll scotch this up, and then we'll just do the wheels in black. As you can see on this one particularly, it was really bad, and you can see that one there, right around here. So by the time we go down the grades, this should be really good, and then we'll see what they look like when we're finished. Let's get these alloys in for paint. So that is the Audi wheels refurbished with brand new tyres. Look at the pop on that black, because you know how we do it. Brand new for the Audi TT, which will be up next.